Allingham with Virtual Weber Bullet. Did you know you can do more with your Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker than just make great barbecue? Did you know, for example, that you can grill in your Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker? You can take the cooking grate and put it right down on top of the charcoal ring, and you can grill on the bottom charcoal section. You can also raise the charcoal up inside the middle cooking section, and you can grill on the top cooking grate. I've got an article on the Virtual Weber Bullet that shows you how to do this, including some photos. You can check it out using the link below. Did you know that you can bake in the Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker? That process is very similar to grilling in the sense that you want to move the charcoal up, higher up in the middle cooking section, and then you want to put an extended grate on top of the top cooking grate, which would move your baked goods higher up inside the lid, where the temperature is going to be as hot as possible. I got some pictures that show that on the Virtual Weber Bullet, and you can read all about it. Just follow the link posted below. Did you know that you can do some Dutch oven cooking in the Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker? Just simply drop your Dutch oven onto the bottom cooking grate, light the fire, maintain a low and slow temperature using the minion method, and you can go low and slow with Dutch oven cooked food in the Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker. I've got an article about that. I'll include the link down below. Now you might say, Chris, why would I want to grill in the Smokey Mountain Cooker? I've got a Weber charcoal grill or I've got a Weber gas grill. Well, that may be true for you, but some people don't have those things. So if you have a Smokey Mountain Cooker and you want to learn how to grill in it, we got that information for you. Or perhaps you have a gas grill and there are times when you would like to have the added flavor of charcoal grilling, so you can do that in your Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker. You might say, well, why would I want to bake bread in my Smokey Mountain Cooker? After all, I have an oven at home. Well, of course you do, but again, a charcoal fire will impart a different flavor to your baked goods if you do that in your Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker. Now, of course, doing Dutch oven cookery in your Smokey Mountain Cooker will not add any flavor to the pot of food if you have it covered. You may choose to have it uncovered for a little while and gather some flavor that way. But you might think of Dutch oven cookery in the Smokey Mountain Cooker as just a way of getting that food out of the house. Maybe it's hot, it's the summertime, you don't want to heat up the kitchen. Or maybe you are in a holiday period where your kitchen is very, very busy. You're looking for more cooking space and you can do some Dutch oven cooking inside your Weber smoker outside the house. Anyway, just wanted to bring to your attention the fact that there is more to the Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker than just making great barbecue. I hope you check out the articles in the link below. If you have ever made bread in your Smokey Mountain Cooker, if you've ever grilled in your Smokey Mountain Cooker, if you've ever done Dutch oven cooking in your Smokey Mountain Cooker, I'd love to hear what your experience is. I'd love to hear about your comments. Please post them below. I want to thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you very much. If you would like and subscribe to my videos, it will help other people find them. Until next time, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.